Bring it up steady. Watch the starboard line. Cables are holding. Tension looks good.
The sonar shows the target clearly now.
Confirmed. It's definitely the truck at Sector 4.
All right, team, let's get this launched.
All systems green on Unit Alpha. Ready for deployment. Roger that. Let's get a visual on that truck.
The structural integrity of the cab mount is compromised.
Confirmed. I am recording severe marine corrosion on the engine block.
All right, bring it up slow. Steady, hold it steady. Watch the cables. Easy, this thing is heavier than it looks.
Wow, that is packed solid with sand.
Let's start trying to break these bolts loose. Okay, lift it up slowly. Is that enough? Hold it there, I'm putting the pry bar in. All right, lower it slowly.
We're lifting the tank now.
Hand me the ratchet, please. Here you go. Lift it slightly higher. Okay, locking it in place. Starting the wrench now.
I'm showing low voltage on the auxiliary harness. Are you getting the same reading?
Stand by. Rerunning the diagnostic.